Hello students, very good morning. This is your maths period. So today we will write the questions and answer from the lesson 1. Okay? In question answer we write the two definitions. First, ascending order, second, descending order with example. Clear? So all of you take out your maths copy and take your pencil. Let's start. First of all, write in classroom copy. Write here date today 26 April 2021. Write the CW. After that write the lesson number 1. Okay. Write lesson name, numbers up to 200. Okay. And after that write the heading. Answer the following question. Okay. Now let's start. Question number 1. Okay, right. Question number 1. What is the definition of ascending order? Okay. What is the definition of ascending order? Now come to the answer. When we write numbers from the smallest to the greatest, it is called ascending order. Okay. Write the here example. Okay. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So these are the example of ascending order. Okay. The first question. What is the definition of ascending order? Write your answer. When we write numbers from the smallest to the greatest, it is called ascending order. Example of ascending order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2. Write the definition of descending order. Write the definition of descending order. Okay. Right answer. When we write numbers from the greatest to the smallest, it is called descending order. Example: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So these are the example of descending order. Okay. Question number 2. Write the definition of descending order. Answer. When we write numbers from the greatest to the smallest, it is called descending order. Examples: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So these are the example of descending order. Okay. So student, in your classwork, you will write 2 questions. Okay. Clear? Now come to the homework. So homework today, write and learn the table of 2. Okay. Write your date today 26 April 2021. Write the SW. Okay. Write the heading of table 2. Okay. Table of 2. Okay. Now let's start. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Okay. So students, in your homework, write the table of 2. Okay. In your classwork, write the 2 questions. Okay. In your classwork. definition of ascending order and definition of descending order, and with examples.